Going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel. But it's gonna be short. I ordered something out TEMU and seemed like I done got addicted to ordering things out TEMU. And I ordered a little mini chainsaw and finna open it up and see what it is. Thing with a toolbox. It won but like $20-something. A small little chainsaw, battery, then got some glass that come with it, chain, extra chain, glove, screwdriver, the charger. See what it is, see what it do. Just a little small something. Got an extra chain and 2 batteries for $20-something. Man. Everything look alright. Finna take it out here and see what it cuts some wood. And this is a little small little thing to cut little small little wood. And like it worked pretty good. For the price, I can't complain. For like $25 for this. Then it got 2 batteries, extra chain. And, pretty good. TEMU Straight out TEMU. Huh. Worked pretty good. That's all I wanted to show y'all for the day. You know what I'm saying? Nice little toolbox it came with some gloves, safety glasses. I was supposed to have on my safety glasses. Make sure you always wear your safety glasses. I got an extra battery, glove. Pretty good. $20-something. Can't beat it. Can't beat it for $20-something. Is it worth it? Yeah, it's worth it. For $20-something, it's worth it. Lord, got your charger. That's pretty good. For $20-something, it can't beat it. But make sure you subscribe to the channel. Oh man. I'm gonna get back with y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good one.